Hello, once again, bros. This is Critical reporting live to you from the Western Cape, South Africa. Yes, and I'm here with
Jackass Man.
Yay! And now, you guys see this? This is clean brandy. You think it's Starbucks, but it's not really. It's not really Starbucks. It's Hilda Bugs, which is made basically gin, water, and piss. It's brandy, and he's gonna be. And Jackass Man agreed on drinking that stuff. He's gonna be so funny. His reaction is gonna be fucking hilarious. Jackass Man is smiling. He smiles in the face of alcohol. Like,
Yeah, you bitch. Yeah, you're gonna own your ass.
why are you not saying anything? Okay, he's gonna do it now. Let me just take the camera like that. He's first preparing for the real fanatic.
Okay, here it goes. Apios, finito, queso, capota.
Show us your face. I'm evil. Jackass Man, are you okay? He's spitting all over the sink.
Push. Fuck it's I hate you.
I'm an evil guy. Oh my god.
Okay, stop.
Okay, bros. I think we tortured him enough for tonight. This is Jackass Man and Critical signing off.
Boop.
Boop.